Ready to level up your stream? Let's see what Ulanzi D200H can do. It comes with 14 built-in OBS Studio plugins. Just drag, drop, and you're good to go. It's super easy to use. Set up your scenes in OBS, then click Ulanzi Deck, tap on plugin, pick the scene you want, and if you like, give a custom name. Now you can switch scenes with one tap. Jump from gameplay to a camera to a slide deck in an instant. Use Studio Mode to preview scenes and add transition effects. The Source Visibility plugin is another game changer. Easily toggle picture-in-picture on and off right when you need it. And that's not all. You can also take screenshots, start recordings, switch scenes, all with hotkeys. The deck supports all mainstream platforms: YouTube, Twitch, Streamlabs, Discord, you name it. Let's try Twitch as an example. Go to the marketplace, search for Twitch plugin, and install. You will get 13 Twitch controls. Just drag them in and they are ready to roll. Click any function, sign to your Twitch account, authorize it in the pop-up window, and just like that, your deck is synced with Twitch. Now you can control your stream like a boss. Switch to chat, followers only, subs only, emote only, whatever fits the vibe. You can even see your live viewer count, or create a clip on the spot. Now let's talk about sound effects. Want to spice up your stream? Try voice mode. Just grab the voice mode plugin from the marketplace. Once inside the app, you will find 15 popular voice tools at your fingertips. Drag in different voice changers, pick your effects, and have fun with it. You can also build your own soundboard clips, or browse the marketplace for even more effects, laughs, and chat add-ons. Your deck is now a sound effects controller.
Welcome to Ulanzi Studio.
Welcome to Ulanzi Studio.
And guess what? Ulanzi Deck also supports Ulanzi lighting control. It works with Ulanzi lighting series, Philips, Golf, and more. We have a dedicated K6500 for live streaming, and you can download the K6500 light presets from the marketplace. These presets come ready with brightness and color temperature settings, so you can control your light with just one tap. Plus, there are 11 scene modes to choose from. Just pick the perfect lighting setup for your stream. You will need to download the Lighting Master from the Ulanzi website. Add your Bluetooth light devices. It lets you switch lights on and off and adjust all the settings with ease. Next, go to the Deck app settings and assign those presets functions to your lights. Now you can control everything with a single button. Deck offers all the lighting controls you need: power, brightness, color temperature, effects, and more. Just drag the lighting plugins onto your keys, link them to your devices, and you're good to go. You can even group multiple lights in Lighting Master, then control the whole group from Deck with one button. Hit one key on your macro keyboard and your whole lighting setup responds instantly. Ulanzi Deck brings all your streaming controls on one easy-to-use keyboard. It's a good helper to smooth your workflow and help you to stream better. Grab your deck and now let's get started.
Ulanzi